Hello, welcome to my channel Eye Opener. Railway issue guideline for the security of movement to keep database of offenders. The guideline also said that abandoned structure in platform building in isolate place which are unguarded, unattended should be demolished immediately. The railway minister on Saturday issued guideline for the security of movement across the train and station and asked the railway PRPF to analyze the data of crime against movement over the last 5 years and create a database of such criminal operating on railway permit. Also direct RPF to ensure that the free Wi-Fi available that station is not used to download pornography as a part of national transporter new guideline to prevent such incidents. Also the past commanders PC should get detail of incident of crime against women including rape report during the last 5 years and also analyze the data thoroughly. The reason for the such offense is a gap in security produces failure of security criminals involved unvulnerable section of movement place duration date month year and status of investigation. Past cases arrest made whereabouts of a criminal and their associated etc. should be careful examined in a coordination with counterpart of government, railway police, local police station staff and NGOs. The guideline said. The guideline also said that the abandoned structure in platform, abandoned quarter building in isolate place which are unguarded, unattended should be demolished immediately. Till such time that they are demolished, they should be regular check as the part of duty staff, bit especially in the night or when the presence of people in a menial, they said. The guideline also directed officials to keep close lookout for the ladies coach and deploy efforts at the platform when a train is arriving on a departing station. They also suggest the sanitizing both the staff passengers and railways providing free internet services to the passenger. It should be ensured in a coordination with the service provided that unwanted video sites are not accessible through this service. The order said based on the data analysis, the guidelines said that the action plan for the short term and long term must be revised. While the short term plan should be implemented immediately and must include a keep watching of suspect, regular visit and vulnerable sports by the duty officers and staff during their rounds, and the order said. The long-term plan should be include improvement of basic infrastructure, placing of CCTV camera on the premises and their aspects of security which may take reasonable time. Should be charged with the cornered authorities of regular basis until such time its complete focus should be kept on temporary mirror work that can be effective in improving the station and situation, which may be worked out and got implemented with a bare minimum expenditure or with the available resources. The guidelines started. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.